Alright, so we're going to be doing an addition to my my CRX 300,000 mile maintenance procedure. I picked up these Pro Car Innovation Prime Joint caster camber kits, or not caster, but just camber. It's going to replace the old worn out ones and whatnot. It'll be pretty neat to see what's going on. Came packaged really well. You got these collies to go into this time. Did come with a sticker, but I took that out already. One out here it is. Nice, let's pick it up. Alright, here goes nothing. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and check our camera with this device right here. See if it's even worthy of the $10 it cost. About 2 degrees camber on this side. So we're going to be replacing this part right here. It's got the two 14 millimeters and then it's like amazing. Those are tight in there for sure. That joker right there was not loose. I don't think these have ever been touched before. A little more leverage will get it. Alright, so I have an hour to go ahead and knock this out, so we're going to try to be super quick. Hopefully this one's a little bit loose. Yeah, less tight. See? Oh yeah. Alright, perfect. Put the old electric ratchet on it and make things faster. Alright, now we got that loose. Take our extension, slide her on in there. Alright, so here's our new part. We got the PCI, Pro Car Innovations lineup. Now, I'm not sure the instructions weren't thorough enough for me to figure out which side goes in first, but it looks like I want this side to go backwards. So if any bumps or anything, I'm just gonna throw it that way. Well, no, actually, because if you look at here, we've got a little bit of play where we can move it back and forth on this side. Alright, so they went on there like this, and there's a little bit of adjustment back here, so I was right. Ideally, since you've got that snap ring in there with the circlip, you're gonna want to have it to where if the car goes this way, it's bumping into this side that isn't a clip. It's a little bit more robust. We're gonna go ahead and anti-seize these a little bit. Alright, let's go ahead and bolt her on in there. There's one. There's two. Now we should have a lot more camber, which is what we want. We want camber. A lot of it. That's good. I'm not sure what the torques are on these. It didn't say. I'm gonna get them snug, that's for sure. Alright, now I can work my way into getting this joker on in there. There is spacers that you have to throw in here. I'm just add a little dab of grease in there. Make me feel a little better about everything. Get a little bit of grease for this side. Unfortunately, I ran out of gloves and Amazon has not pulled up yet, so we are gloveless for now. I'm gonna go ahead and anti-seize our bolt. Alright, and she's in. What's up, man? Yeah, it's going. Alright, you need me to sign something?
Yeah, I got some number for you.
Yes, sir.
And there's a bunch of stuff. But let me say a strange question. Now, one of the guys at the store, they left one of these at one shop. Have you seen one of these anywhere around here?
Oh, this little code thing? No,
yeah.
My boss man would have definitely let you know if you saw one out there, but you didn't leave one back here, no sir.
Alright, I'm gonna change recruit.
That's a bummer. Yeah, no, feel for free to do that. He would know though. He would know. He'd let y'all know.
Alright, yeah, we know who it was, maybe. Alright, thank you.
Yes, sir. go. We got her in there. That is sweet, if you ask me. It looks pretty cool in there. I like it. See where our camber is. I guess I should have torqued the other one down real nicely. If I come across the torque specs, I'm gonna put them in the description, and I'll torque my car down as well, because I torque everything down on the suspension. All right, now that's the easy part. Now we just have to figure out where we'd like our camber to be. So we're gonna go ahead and bring you back here. Got our wheels right quick. All right, let's go ahead and see what a camber looks like. Now that's the camber we wanted. That's actually pretty tight. Camber gang. Camber gang. Then I'm gonna have to show this to the homeboys, man. I have to show this one to the homeboys, man. Y'all check this out. This is looking nuts. We got that Camber Nation. Camber Nation on there. Alright, I was just playing. I don't really want all that camber. We're gonna drop it down a little bit. I got about 10% battery left, so we gotta make this quick. Alright, so I got all that stuff put in, all my stuff's put up, and we're ready to go for a test drive and whatnot. Sorry y'all didn't get to see the final product, but you'll see one eventually. You'll see eventually.